Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Ema, the place where we make English simple and enjoyable. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hello to all our amazing listeners. How is everyone doing today?
We are so happy you are here with us. Jack, you look a little stressed today. What happened?
Oh, Emma, I had a very awkward experience yesterday. I went to the bank and I forgot some very important words.
Oh, no. What happened at the bank?
Well, I walked up to the counter and the woman asked me, "How can I help you today?" I wanted to say that I needed to put money into my account, but I forgot the word deposit.
Oh, dear. What did you say instead?
I stood there for a few seconds and said, "I want to give money to my account. Put it inside." It was very embarrassing.
Don't worry, Jack. That happens to many people. Banking vocabulary can be confusing, especially in English.
That's true. And that's why today we're talking about English at the bank.
Yes, this topic is very important. Everyone needs to use a bank at some point in their life.
Exactly. If you're traveling, studying abroad, or living in an English-speaking country, you need to know how to speak at the bank.
Many people feel nervous at banks because they are formal places and money is important.
But here's the good news. Bank conversations are usually simple and very repetitive.
Yes, once you learn a few basic phrases, you can feel confident and relaxed.
Today, we will teach you how to open a bank account, make a deposit, transfer money, and talk politely to bank staff.
Before we begin, we have a small request for our listeners.
If you enjoy this podcast, please subscribe to Talk Ema.
Don't forget to like and share this episode with your friends. It really helps us.
Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's start with the basics.
Emma, imagine you just moved to a new city and you need to open a bank account. What do you do first?
First, I choose a bank. There are many banks, so I do some research.
Good. Now you walk into the bank. What do you say?
I can say, "Hello, I would like to open an account, please."
Perfect. A bank account is the place where your money is kept. There are different types of accounts.
Really? Can you explain them?
Of course. The most common one is a checking account. People use it for daily spending, paying bills, and getting cash.
So my salary goes into my checking account.
Yes, exactly. Another type is a savings account. This is for money you want to save for the future.
I see. Checking is for spending and savings is for saving.
That's right. Many people have both accounts.
Okay. I tell the staff I want to open a checking account. What happens next?
The staff will ask for documents, like an ID. This can be a passport or a driver's license.
Do they ask for anything else?
Sometimes they ask for proof of address, like a utility bill or rental contract.
Okay. I bring my passport and rental contract. Then what?
The staff will give you forms to fill out. If you don't understand something, it's okay to ask.
What can I say if I am confused?
You can say, "Excuse me, what does this mean?" Or, "Could you explain this part, please?"
That sounds easy. I feel much more confident now.
Great! And that's exactly our goal, to help you speak English with confidence in real-life situations. Could you explain this part, please? That is a very polite and professional sentence.
Yes, it is. Bank staff hear this question many times every day.
That's true. They want customers to understand everything clearly.
That makes me feel relaxed. So I fill out the forms and give them my documents. What happens next?
After that, the staff will set up your bank account.
Do they give me any important information?
Yes, they give you an account number. It is a long number, usually 8 to 12 digits.
So the account number is like my account's name, right?
Exactly. It identifies your account and makes it unique.
When do I use this account number?
You use it when you receive money or when you make a transfer.
Okay. What else do I get when my account is ready?
You will receive a debit card. It is a plastic card you can use to pay for things.
Can I also use it to get cash?
Yes, you can use it at an ATM.
ATM means the cash machine, right?
Yes, ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine, but most people just say ATM.
That name sounds very technical.
It does, but you don't need to remember it. Just say ATM.
Okay, my debit card comes with something else, right?
Yes, it comes with a PIN.
PIN means personal identification number.
Correct. It is usually a secret four-digit number.
Like 1234 or 5678.
Yes, but please don't use those numbers. They are not safe.
Good advice. I will choose a secure PIN.
Very good. You use your PIN when you pay with your card or use an ATM.
And I should never share my PIN with anyone.
Exactly. It helps keep your money safe.
Now, Emma, I want to ask about putting money into my account.
Ah, yes, the word you forgot yesterday.
Yes, the word deposit.
Deposit means to put money into your account.
Can I deposit both cash and checks?
Yes, you can deposit cash or checks.
How do I say that at the bank?
You can say, I would like to make a deposit, please.
That sounds simple and polite.
It is. The staff will then ask, which account?
And I say, my checking account or my savings account.
Exactly. Then you give them the cash or the check.
What happens after that?
They count the money and give you a receipt.
I should always keep the receipt, right?
Yes, always. It is proof of your transaction.
Can I also deposit money using an ATM?
Yes, many ATMs allow deposits.
How does that work?
You insert your card, enter your PIN, and choose Deposit.
Then I put the cash into the machine.
Right. The machine counts the money and adds it to your account.
That is very convenient.
It really is. Now let's talk about taking money out.
That is called a withdrawal, right?
Yes, withdraw means to take money out of your account.
How do I say that politely?
You can say, I would like to make a withdrawal, please.
Or I can say, I need to withdraw some money.
Both are correct.
Can I withdraw money from an ATM?
Of course, that is the most common way.
I put in my card, enter my PIN, and select withdrawal.
Yes, then the machine asks how much money you want.
I choose an amount, like 100, 200, or 500.
Exactly. Then the cash comes out.
It feels like magic.
Modern magic. But remember, you can only withdraw money that you have.
I cannot take out more than my balance.
In some cases, you can, but that is called an overdraft.
Overdraft sounds serious.
It is. An overdraft means you spend more money than you have.
And the bank charges a fee for that.
Yes, a fee is an extra cost or charge.
So overdraft fees can be expensive.
Exactly. That's why it's important to know your balance.
Balance means how much money I have in my account.
Correct. How can I check my balance? You can check it at an ATM.
I select Check Balance and I see the amount on the screen.
Yes, you can also check your balance online.
Online banking.
Exactly. You use your phone or computer to manage your account.
What can I do with online banking?
You can check your balance, see transactions, pay bills, and make transfers.
Transfers are very important. What does transfer mean?
A transfer means moving money from one account to another.
Like moving money from my checking account to my savings account.
Yes, that is an internal transfer.
What about sending money to another person?
That is also a transfer.
How do I do that at the bank?
You say, I would like to make a transfer, please.
What information do they need?
They need the other person's account number.
Do they need anything else?
Sometimes they also need a routing number.
What is a routing number?
It identifies the bank, not the person.
So the account number is the person and the routing number is the bank.
Exactly. Then you tell them the amount.
I want to transfer $500 to this account number.
Perfect. That is clear and correct. Perfect. And online banking makes everything even easier. You just enter the information on your phone.
Yes, technology is really wonderful.
It truly is. But Jack, sometimes problems can happen with bank accounts.
Oh no, what kind of problems?
For example, you might see a transaction you don't recognize.
Or maybe I lose my debit card?
Yes, that can happen, and it can feel very stressful.
What should I do in that situation?
First, stay calm. Then, contact the bank immediately.
Should I call them or go to the bank?
You can do either. You can call the bank or visit a branch.
What should I say if I lost my card?
You can say, I lost my debit card. I need to cancel it, please.
Cancel means stop the card from working.
Exactly. The bank will cancel the old card.
And then they send me a new card.
Yes, and this helps keep your money safe.
What if I see a transaction I don't recognize?
You can say, I see a charge on my account that I did not make.
And then I say, can you help me investigate?
Yes, that sounds very polite and professional.
The bank will check the transaction.
Correct. If it is a mistake or fraud, they may reverse the charge.
Fraud means someone uses my card or money without permission.
Exactly. Banks take fraud very seriously.
That makes me feel more secure.
They have special security teams to protect customers.
That is very good to know.
What if you just have a general question about your account?
I can call the customer service number.
Yes, the number is usually on the back of your debit card.
What do I say when they answer the phone?
You can say, hello, I have a question about my account.
Then they will ask you some questions.
Yes, they may ask for your account number.
They also ask security questions.
That's right. Security questions confirm who you are.
They might ask my date of birth or my address.
Exactly. This protects your account.
Security is very important in banking.
It really is. Now, Jack, let's talk about one more important thing.
Okay, what is it?
Your bank statement.
I've heard that word before. What is a statement?
A statement is a document that shows all your transactions.
Is it for a short time or a long time?
Usually, it is for 1 month.
So it shows deposits, withdrawals, and transfers.
Yes, everything is listed there.
Does it also show my balance?
Yes, it shows your starting balance and ending balance.
Where can I get my statement?
Some banks send paper statements by mail.
But many banks send electronic statements now.
Exactly. You can get them by email or in the banking app.
Why is the statement important?
It helps you track your spending.
I can see where my money goes.
Yes, and it helps with budgeting.
I can also check for mistakes.
Correct. You can find unauthorized or incorrect charges.
So I should read my statement every month?
Absolutely. It is a very good habit.
Do you have any tips for banking in English?
Yes, I do. My first tip is to write down useful phrases.
Like, I would like to open an account, or I need to make a deposit.
Exactly. Write them on your phone or on paper.
That helps when I feel nervous.
Yes, when we are nervous, we forget words easily.
Having notes gives confidence.
That's right.
What is your second tip?
Don't be afraid to ask people to repeat themselves.
Bank staff sometimes speak very fast.
Yes, you can say, I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Or, could you speak a little slower?
Everyone will understand and help you.
That makes me feel better.
My third tip is to practice using ATMs first.
Why is that helpful?
Because ATMs use simple English.
And I can take my time.
Exactly. There is no pressure.
I can practice withdrawals, deposits, and checking my balance.
Yes, and this builds confidence.
I really like that idea.
Do you have a tip to share?
Yes, learn the difference between debit cards and credit cards.
That is confusing for many people.
A debit card uses money from your account.
And a credit card borrows money from the bank.
If I have $500 in my account, I can spend $200 with a debit card.
Correct.
With a credit card, I pay the money back later.
Yes, and usually with interest.
Interest is extra money you pay for borrowing.
Exactly. Credit cards can be helpful.
But they can also be dangerous if you spend too much.
That's why it's important to use them carefully. For beginners, using a debit card is simpler and much safer than a credit card.
I agree. It is a good idea to start with a debit card and a checking account. Keep it simple.
Simple is good.
Yes, simple is very good.
Well, Jack, today we covered a lot of information about banking in English.
We really did, Emma. I feel like I could open a bank account in English right now.
You definitely could, Jack. Let's quickly review the most important words we learned today.
Okay. First, we learned words like account, deposit, withdrawal, and transfer.
Then we learned PIN, balance, statement, and ATM.
We also talked about debit cards and credit cards.
And don't forget fees and overdrafts. That is a lot of vocabulary.
Yes, but all of it is very practical and useful.
Absolutely. Every word we taught you today is something you will actually use in real life.
Now, everyone listening, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Have you ever had a funny or awkward experience at a bank? Maybe you forgot a word like I did, or maybe something else happened. Write 1 or 2 sentences in the comments. It is great practice.
And it also helps us make better content for you, because we learn what is difficult for you.
We read every single comment. We really appreciate you all so much.
Before we say goodbye, please remember to subscribe to Talk Ema.
Click that subscribe button. It is free, and it helps us continue making these podcasts for you.
Give this episode a like if you found it helpful.
And share it with your friends. Maybe they are nervous about banking too.
We want to build a community of confident English learners.
You are doing amazing work with your English. Every day you are improving.
Banking vocabulary might seem difficult now, but soon it will feel natural.
Just keep practicing, keep listening, keep speaking.
And remember, mistakes are okay. I forgot the word deposit at the bank and I survived.
Yes, you did survive, and now you will never forget that word.
Never. It is burned into my brain.
That is exactly how we learn, through experience.
Well, everyone, thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
We will see you very soon in our next episode.
Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and stay confident.
Take care of yourselves, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.